Hey everybody, welcome back to Vintage Vagabond Vends. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Can you guess what I am back with today? As you can see, we have a brooch haul today. So very exciting. We got a variety. There are signed, unsigned, but absolutely gorgeous lot here. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what we got this week. I hope you all enjoy it. As always, I'd like to know, what your favorite one is. So I'm going to show you up close. This is the first one I have here. It is a Neiman Marcus. You can see you can put a little picture in there. Very beautiful gold tone. We do have some rhinestones and enamel. J. Strongwater. So you can use that as a clip. You can also put it up for a picture frame. So very cool. Oh, look at this. We have a little starfish, and it's got these beautiful rhinestones on there. It is a lapel pen. I think I see a marking on the back. Oh yes. We have a little swan there. So we have a Swarovski Lapel Pen. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Very pretty. Oh, this one's blingy. We have Gigi, and you have the beautiful rhinestones. Very pretty. This one is gold tone, beautiful flower. That one is marked. Let me see here. I cannot make that out. Let me know in the comments below if you can see that. What does that say? KTS. Rinia. That's what it looks like to me. I'll have to look closer at that with my loop. Next one up. Ooh, we have the hand. You can see the little blingy on the ring finger, holding the little fan with some AB rhinestones. That one is a 1928. This is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. We got a little lifeboat, gold tone with some enamel. Really cool. Oh, this one's really interesting. So we have this pin. Look at the fish. The fish does move. Really cool. Love this. We have a beautiful blingy crown. You got some clear rhinestones and some amber colored rhinestones. Is gold tone. Really pretty. Beautiful flower. You got all the enamel around it, or on it, I should say. Gold tone on the back. Beautiful enamel flower with a purple rhinestone in the center. That one is marked Joan Rivers. Look at this cool dog. Really cute. Very pretty. Love it. Love it. Ooh, this looks like some mother of pearl. Absolutely gorgeous. And this one is marked Bethlehem on the back. Really pretty. Ooh, I see another crown here. Beautiful rhinestones. It does look like we have some Navette rhinestones in there as well. Gold tone. So what are you guys thinking of our hauls here? I'm absolutely loving them. Oh, it looks like I do have another mother of pearl. Really pretty. This one is also marked Bethlehem. Oh, we got Two cute little ladies. This one's all bundled up for winter, but in business attire. We got some spring wear. You got the C clasp on the back. I think this feels like porcelain. Beautiful kitty. And another little doggy. Really cute. There's the back. This one's really awesome. Love that. Really unique. We got the dangly earrings. Ooh, what is this one? This is really pretty. So it's gold tone. We have the purple teardrop rhinestones. Cabochon in the center. This one is marked, it looks like that is Avon. This is really pretty. So this feels like wood. Alma Escal, Myrtle Products, Oregon. Really cool. What do we got next? Oh, we got some Dick Tracy. And this one is a Disney pin. Really cool. Nice haul this week. Beautiful with some enamel. We got a bow and a pretty rhinestone in the center of the bow. This is gorgeous too. Beautiful gold tone with some enamel. And this one is marked, what is that? Oh, I got it upside down. So it looks like Liz Claiborne. Beautiful gold tone flag with the different colored rhinestones, red, white, and blue. And this one is marked OTC. Beautiful, look at that sparkly enamel with the rhinestones in the center. Gorgeous flower. This one is marked KC. We got a pretty kitty. Kind of looks a little grumpy, but I think it's just the way the fur is. Got the rhinestone eyes, and this one is marked LG. Ooh, this is pretty. So it is silver, and then we have the gold tone, silver tone and gold tone. And it looks like that is marked Oscar for Oscar de la Renta. Really cool. Few more here. Oh, look at this. So we got the old school phone with the rhinestones. It's got a little chain for the wire, and this one is marked JJ. This one's really gorgeous. Look at that detail on it. This one is Michael Golan, and you can wear this as a pendant as well. Absolutely gorgeous. This is the next one. Beautiful angel. Oh, it looks like the flower is broken there. You can't always see that stuff till you put it right under the camera, and that one is marked. I can't make that out, but it is broken. Well, that stinks. This one is unique. It is a little plastic one. We got little shoes, a chair, and a little bed. Really unique. Look at that. We have a gold tone starfish. You got the little, it looks like a little pearl. This one is marked Giovanni. Really pretty. We have, oh, look at that, antiques. Really cool pewter piece. And that one is marked AJC. I'm loving that. Antiques. What do we have here? Beautiful butterfly with enamel. This one is marked Sterling, Norway. We have the 925 on there as well. Really awesome. And last but not least, we have this Silvertone Rose. Loving the detail on that. And this one is marked Trifari. So very pretty. I'm loving this haul this week. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. You know, also let me know if there's any specific brooches or jewelry that you're looking for. You know, be sure to check us out on Whatnot. In the description below, there is a credit. So if you haven't signed up for Whatnot and want to check it out, you can receive a $10 credit if you haven't signed up before. So definitely check us out there. Again, let me know what your favorite one was. I'm really liking this one. I love the fish. It is pretty cool. So I appreciate you all for joining today. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. And if you'd like to see more content, be sure to subscribe. Thank you again all for joining. Have a great day.